think? Hello. Hello. Oh, is that a smile I'm seeing? What do you think? Hi, King. Oh my goodness, do you like the behind the ear scritches? Yeah. It's because you're Pitty. That's where Pitties like to be scratched. Yeah. Oh my goodness, your cheeks are gonna hurt from smiling so much, Mr. King. He likes toys. There's so much going on.
No.
Okay, safe. Now you have to throw them as fast as you can. You're losing, you're losing. Good job, King. Good job. Okay, bonus points. Stand up on the couch and then throw. Okay? On this couch. Yeah. Okay, now throw as hard as you can. Try to get it through the basket. Oh, he got it. Interception. Good job, King. Good job. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, so cute. Woo! Yeah. Oh. Are you a fetch dog, King?
He does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job, King. Oh my goodness. Oh, is that helping with your stress, King? That was awesome to see. He just shook it off just from playing a little bit of fetch from Kobe. That is so sweet.
Do it, show it, huh?
Look how perfect.
Okay, throw it again.
Eh.
Are you ready? Throw it as far as you can. As far. Ready? Yeah! Woo! Good boy!
That is so cool. King, you are a perfect family dog. How did you get so perfect?
Can you
Oh,
hand him
my
the toy?
goodness.
Just give it to him and see if he takes it nicely. Pretend it's like a treat, though.
I want to put that.
You gotta hand it to him, and then you can throw it. He's like, good.
Good job.
All the way to the couch. Go. Good. He doesn't care. Woo!
Good job, King. Woo! Yeah. Okay, go.
Come on, King. Okay. Yes, yes. Good boy. You want a home? You too want a home. Yes. Say, adopt us, adopt us.
Look how cute he is on leash. This guy is a dream. I really like him. Was he good on leash during his directional changes as well? Yeah, he's
Very
just a
low
good
and slow
boy.
guy.
Oh, yeah. What is that? Is it a party? Aww. He started out like a little concerned and then was like, no, maybe it's fun. Maybe it's fun. Come on, babies. I know. Oh yeah, we'll get you all cleaned off. Yeah, we'll get you all cleaned off. You're so cute, King. Okay, so Lily Lovey came into the yard and King literally didn't even react. He did not care. He was like, okay, okay, sure. We're gonna bring them in for another little leash greeting. Oh my goodness, little waggy tails. He's doing good. Yeah, that's good stuff, guys. Wow, are you guys gonna be best friends or what, King? Or what? Okay, so Lily is being herself, rolling around in the grass. She's saying, I trust you, everything's good. Yeah. Okay, so in the yard right now we have Angel, Lily, King. Hi, Lily. Taylor and myself, and King is just being so chill and relaxed. He's just doing his own thing, sniffing around.
Good boy.
is really good, and Lily really just ran up on him and he was perfectly fine through that. That's awesome. That's awesome. Percy, who is a happy-go-lucky, energetic little male, here to meet King. What do we think? Hi, Percy.
Yeah?
He got so excited to see his friend Butch when we came into the house. Oh my goodness. Oh, and we're just hanging out with Kobe. So Butch and King have both lived with kids before, or at least been around kids in a home before. How sweet. Oh my goodness. Kobe, can you smile for a picture? Thank you, Kobe. You're such a good model. Okay, so we are starting King's food test. We put the food in the crate. Are you gonna want to eat it? Okay, so he's letting us put our hand in there. He's not reacting to that. He says, "Hey, Lee, I'm trying to eat."
Good boy, King.
Good job. Okay, so we're gonna have another dog approach. What do you think about it, King? You guys are doing so perfect. This is really awesome stuff. So we are finishing up the food test outside of the crates. He says, "I'll let you take my food away. That's not a problem." Put him back down, petting him while he's eating. He is so good. King, you have been nothing but impressive since you've been here. Another dog approaching. And we're not trying to pull over to her or anything. Okay, so we push the food bowls a little bit closer together just to see if we can inspire any thievery or questionable behaviors. And he's just doing absolutely perfectly.
Good boy, King. Good boy. Free. Free. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Free. Free. Good boy.
You don't want the Treato? Oh, you don't want it? That's okay. You don't need to have it. He says, "I just want to get it."